Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Before I show you how to install n8n on your computer locally, I want to say something from my heart. Why you are not support new content creator? I uh, I don't have a fancy studio. I don't have team to manage, make good thumbnail, edit eye-catching video, or manage my content. But I have passion to share. Before skip this video, please see the full video if you truly want to learn n8n how to install on our PC locally step by step. This is will be most easiest and direct way. Please see the full video. Let's start. n8n open source powerful automation system. So it's available self-hosting locally and cloud hosting. Cloud hosting for net pay price. Now, if you want to install it on your Mac OS or Windows, you can do both. First, we need to install Node.js. So you simply just search Node. You will get this website and click. You need download LTS version, and this is most stable version. So we need download this, and you can see here Windows 64-bit installer. You can direct download and install simply like next and install. That's it. The easy way you can just install. And if you are Mac OS user, you can also install this way. Okay. After install, you need to open the terminal and check this truly install or not. So you can say type node version. This here showing node version, so it's installed. And you need to say npm version node package manager. It's also installed. Okay. If you download this, a package will be both file will be this package npm and node.js. npm node package manager mainly. If I click here, you can see here showing with npm. This version will get npm and more method. Okay, this is package manager will be included with the file, so you don't need download different ways, just one file both system you will get. Okay, and after this install, you need if we go node package manager website, this is node, you just simply search npm and go the website and just simply search n8n workflow automation tool. So you can install this way, but we want to make globally on our desktop. If you directly install in any package or directory, so you can use just that directory. You cannot it's used on your laptop globally. So we need install it globally on our laptop, so or PC, so we can use directly just command. And if you package, if you install it any file under like any directory, example, if I open a directory like this directory, yeah, I have, okay, here I have many file. If I install the n8n and this file in this file movies, so it will not accessible from other file. So we need to install it globally. So just npm install, okay, make it more zoom, npm install g, so it's globally, and n8n, just click. I have already installed, so we'll be showing maybe it's installed. And we need more a thing. When we run something local like localhost something, this is a local address, that will be this type address, localhost local address, just accessible on my own computer. I cannot, this is not public domain or public URL, so you cannot share anyone. So you can see here, so we need to set up a tunnel. Do that temporary. He make the localhost, our local server, or local this make publicly available with forwarding way. So this can do with this website Cloudflare or this. Both way we can do our local URL make publicly available. They will give us a new URL or domain, so we can share that so anyone can see, or we can work. Example, n8n workflow self-host. After, if you want to create a support agent like Telegram bot, so we need making a request. But this request Telegram not understand, because Telegram is public platform, so they not access our local host. So we need make first set up tunnel with it or with it, then we will get a public URL, so we can making requests with that URL, or if you want to share your friend or someone, they can see. Okay, this is temporary. When you switch off a laptop, that cannot see. Okay, okay, here take time. Okay, we need to install this. So for Mac OS, many software can easily install with this. So first download this. Okay, if you are a Mac user, download this and set up this homebrew. So I have already installed this, just I'm showing you. Just install this. I have already installed. They asking password. press enter, return. Okay, this is script will install. I have already installed, but they may be updated or doing something. Okay, after install that, you can run this command for install this on Mac OS, brew install in your, or directly can download. Okay, hi, like this taking so much time. Hi, I don't know. Okay, here install almost complete. This is just updating because I have already this. Okay, if you are Windows user, here directly go and directly you need to install this file, just Microsoft Store installer. So you can go and simply just install this. After install, you need to log in here. So just I open it new, and you need login here. Get the token. You need set up for a token, authorization token, and for Mac also need the token. So you need just a simply create a account and login. I already log in here. They already showing here simply my token. Okay, after install you can see the token from here, or directly you can see from here your token. Show the token, you need click here, then will showing the token. Okay, so first you need install the here. Okay, homebrew is done. Also this is done n8n. So if you want to run n8n on or PC locally, just command n8n, or just simply can do n8n. There will be launch. Okay, they asking press O to open on browser. I press O. You can see I have already logged so showing this. If you not log in, so they will show this page. You need to create account and log in here. Okay, we have successfully installed n8n. You can see the address string localhost something. So we need set up tunnel, so it ought like publicly you can do manage any app API like OpenAI or Telegram Supportation or WhatsApp. So this is installed done. That's simple. Okay, this is installed done and this is now working. Okay, just keep that because this is running. And when you want to close this, just you need click Ctrl C, so then it will be stop. So this URL not will be on. That's just if on to install, just when you want to run, just type n8n. Example, I just stop, and here see this side cannot be reached. Just type, then it will be again start, and it's refresh, this again showing. Okay, and homebrew this also installed done. So if you want to install this on Mac, just copy this and paste here. So also you can type it. Okay, I type mistake, bro install. Okay, just enter, then it will be installed. Okay, after download and install. And if you are Windows user, you can directly install. Okay, and after install we need this authentication, so we will get a public URL for this. Okay, first I need login here. Okay, this is done. I have already installed, so done this simply. And okay, now make this URL public. Okay, I forget my mail here. Okay, try this login. And password. Okay, this is login done. So you can create or follow, do something, or and this is run on our local PC. So if I simply add a webhook, and here showing the URL localhost, so it cannot be accessed Telegram. We cannot request Telegram, send or receive message here or do something. So we need make add the tunnel with this or with Cloudflare. So this is both free. Okay, now it's installed done. So after install this, here was the command config add token. Okay, and after login you can see here showing token and also this command showing. So just simply copy this and paste here. Config done. So now just simply run it. So simply run it. We need our localhost URL, this URL 5678. So you need just simply type http. You need say okay, this is http running http and 5678. Just type 5678. Okay, we go now online, and it's a free plan, and this is our public URL. This is our public URL. So if I search, it's showing visit and showing this page. You can see this URL different. This is loading and n8n loading. You can see this is public URL and it's our just local. Okay, and this URL, if you share your friend or someone, they can see. Okay, and now we need login here, so that will be all. So just here login. Okay, login here. Now we need create outflow. The URL also showing localhost, but this URL now public, so we can work. Okay, that we want, because we have now a public URL for forwarding, but our original URL localhost. Here you can see this forwarding our localhost. Okay, this is working and showing. Okay, so okay, this is cancel. Here no need. Okay, this is URL for example. I want to receive a request. Okay, select post request, and here just Telegram bot. Okay. Okay, and for Telegram bot from get request, we need create open Telegram. Okay, we need searched bot father, and this is official for creating bot. So if you want to create new bot, just new bot, type and start. He asking bot name, we can say local host, local host bot, just asking for bot name. This bot name already use localhost. Also this use localhost bot. Okay, make double tick. This also use. Okay, try another local bot. Okay, this is able. Just I make a no problem. We need this access token and making a request for connect with our webhook. This is your webhook URL. So this is localhost URL, and here Telegram. How we need make request this way. Bot, then token, then method. Okay, so we need copy this. No need full copy, just bot. Okay, and this is example token. So we passed here, and we need copy the token from here and pass the token. After pass the token, we need copy this URL. Okay, and need here if you see the method name webhook, then URL. Now we need pass our public URL. I copy from here, and okay, just this is public URL, and now we need pass this from here this. So pass this, and now this is showing enter. Okay, we need here set up listening mode, so it will be work. Okay, this is now listening mode, and just click. Webhook already said. Okay, now send a message. Hello. You can see how the message is come. First message was start, so come start. So this is working. If we again click the listen mode and send hello, what? This is receive hello. The text was hello. They receive first this message, and this is will not set up perfect. Just one time we listen it's work or not. If it's active, it will work continuously. Okay, so we have successfully installed and set up tunnel for localhost. Now I showing you also how doing with this Cloudflare. This is popular cloud hosting platform. Okay, for here install also showing macOS for brew install Cloudflare. So first you need to install homebrew if you not have this already, and then just copy the command and paste. I am using macOS, so I will use this. Just new window and pass this, and they install this here. And if you are Windows user, you need just follow this rule, copy and paste. You can download. Or alternate way, this way, if you not on installer or not all, you can directly download. For if you are a laptop 64-bit, you can download this. If 32-bit, you can download this, and easily you can install like next and some confirm or agree and then install. Okay, After install this, you also need login here. Okay, this is already installed. Okay, and here also you need login. I have already login, so directly come here. Okay, here now we need to stop this here. Okay, this is now stop. So this URL will be not org. Now we need this tunnel setup on Cloudflare. This is we stop both or, but Cloudflare is more popular if you want. If here some trouble, you can use that. Okay, for Cloudflare, after install, you can say tunnel and okay here. Okay, on the local host. Okay, how I mistake cloud. Then this here you can see the instruction already and URL and just paste. Okay, just paste it and click. Request a new quick tunnel. This is working. Fail to request tunnel. Call.com text deadline exited. Oh, okay. Okay. Here. Now making the again on this, so it will be restart and Cloudflare tunnel. Okay, we use free tunnel.com. We use free, so here have some limits. Sometimes can be not all. I already log in. Maybe ask again login. Try login. They asking for login. Okay, it's loading. Okay, this is login. They come call for tunnel. So don't you want to tunnel? Okay, now. Okay, now cloud tunnel. Then copy the URL and again pass the trying. Okay, now this is working. So we need again login maybe. I was login, so I not try login again. I forget that. So already it's in running. So here the URL running from here. Thank you. And info. This is your quick tunnel has been created. Visit with it. This is our URL. So just copy it and paste new. Okay, we copy extra sign. Just copy this and paste on new tab. You can see same way like in GR. Okay, like this. You can same way this tunnel open this. And when you want to cancel the tunnel, so just Ctrl C. This will be stop. So this URL will be not all. This way we can set a tunnel and local host. You can now easily working with n8n with any project. You can use this public URL for any requesting. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe.